Hello, so today I'll teach you how to finish your first layer. So last time I did how to make the cross. So as you can see, I made the cross while having it correctly fixed. So today I'll teach you how to make layers. So let's show you. So how to make this whole layer with each center matching, so you're not having like this. So for this step, it requires to solve the corners, and you have quite a few cases, but it's again intuitive. So the first one, the most basic one, you have when you have the white fitting U and the white core on the same face that it goes. So the algorithm for this one, there's two actually, but the shorter one is 3 moves long, which is F prime, U prime, F. You just change the face, so bring this up here, move it here, and then bring back the face and finish. So the other one is when you have the white facing the right, the other side, and the other color matching its center. Before it was the blue matching here, but now it's the orange. So for this case, you can do R, U, R prime. So bring it up here, change, and replace back. So the other case, you have the white facing up and the color not matching themselves. So you have several algos for this case, and you just have to do R, U2, R prime, U prime, and you have this case. So R, U, R prime. Or you could do the other one, so F0, R2, there's many variation, such as the sexy mode, so RU, R prime, U prime, RU, R prime, U prime, U prime, so when you do it twice, so for times. So again, the 60 moves is R prime, U prime. So as you can see, it's the other algorithm for this case. For now, I mean, it's the other algorithm for this case. It's just with an extra U move. So when you see the corner placed but not correctly unwanted, you just have you just put it, bring it here, depending, and you can choose whether you want to do this and have this case when you have the white facing towards you, or the case to have this case. or this. It's up to. So this. So quick tab when you have the edge. Instead of being here, it's here. If the white is facing back, you just do R, U2, R prime. And when it's facing the left, you just do F, U2, F prime. No, F prime, to F, sorry. And that's all you need to know. So see you on the next step.